This video shows Memguard capabilities in a real-world usage. Two virtual machines are running on the same Juno ARM development platform. Each one is executing a video program displaying an open-source movie. Both videos are displayed smoothly. Now, the frame rate of the videos drop due to a third-party program running in background. It is a memory bandwidth intensive video processing task. At this point, Memguard is activated to ensure the best quality of service possible. The virtual machine on the right of the screen is playing the video with a correct frame rate again. The second virtual machine on the left activates Memguard. The quality of service rises the desired level. The video is played smoothly again. Finally, the virtual machine on the right of the screen reduces its quality of service, and the frame rate of the video drops following it.